Hello students, today we will discuss about polynomials. So what is a polynomial? The expression given by or defined by, suppose I write px equal to a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a n minus 1 x plus n is called a polynomial of degree n provided a0 not equal to 0, where ai are constants. Okay, also ai is called coefficients of x to the power I, and n is called constant term. Okay, so if you see the polynomial a0 a1 to a n minus 1 are coefficient of their corresponding x to the power n, x to the power n minus 1 and x respectively, and n is called the constant term. There, this n is the degree of the polynomial provided a0 is not equal to 0. Now for px is equal to a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus plus an minus 1 x plus n, where a0 is not equal to 0, first thing. Second is n is greater than 1. Okay, I can write it as greater equal to 1. Okay, I can write greater equal to 1, no problem. So that ai x to the power I is called terms in a polynomial. Okay, these are called terms in a polynomial. Now come to the point. If p of x has one term, then it is called monomial. Two term, then it is called binomial. Okay, three term is called trinomial, and so on. Okay, so first term is monomial, second term is binomial, third term is trinomial, and so on. We can continue like this: quadrinomial, quintinomial, and all that. Okay, these are about number of terms. Now come to like term. What is like term? Okay, ax to the power I and b x to the power j is called are called like terms if I equal to j. Okay, that means 2 to the power x to 2x square and 2x cube are not like terms, but 2x square and 7x square are like. These two are like terms because the power of 2 is same, but here power of 2 is not same, so they are not like terms. For like terms you have to see the power of your unknown, that is x. Okay, so this is called like term. I hope you understood. One more example, suppose 100 x to the power 4 and minus 5 x to the power 4, both are like terms. Okay, so you can add it and subtract it. One thing is that if you have a like term, you can add it or subtract it, but if you don't have the like term, you cannot add it or subtract it. Okay, but if I write here 5, then this is not a like term. Okay, so like term is over. Now come to zeros. This is the last thing I will discuss, then I will in the next video I will continue. Zeros of polynomial. Okay, zeros of polynomial. Let px be a polynomial such that p of alpha equal to 0, then alpha is called, this alpha is called 0 of polynomial. Okay, so if you have a polynomial, suppose px equal to 2x square plus 2x minus 4, then x equal to 1 is the 0 of, or you can say is a 0 of px. Okay, so this is how you find the 0 of a polynomial. You guess the number, then you find 0 of polynomial. There are other ways also you can find. This is a quadratic equation, so surely you can consider the middle term factorization to obtain the solution. So this is how you can proceed. So this is called 0 of the polynomial. The number at which the value of the px is 0, then that number is called 0 of the polynomial. With that note, I am finishing this video. In the next video, I'll continue with factors, remainder theorem and all that. Thank you.